Director Lloyd.
Hello.
What's your last name, sir?
Dallas.
Lloyd Dallas. And this is a production of Noises Off, Owens Community College 2013. And he's going to give us a little tour today.
Please, follow me. I'll show you a tour of our set. This, as you can see, is our living area for which the entire set takes place. This house. Very comfortable.
All these doors.
All these doors. 1, 2, 3, 4 doors on the first level. Then above us, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 doors as well. Coincidence? You decide. Here's our television set. This is the latest technology of the 1970s. Very. Knobs and everything. It's fancy. You have drawers which you never actually use. You have a statue. It's a lovely statue.
It is. I like our props.
Move it over here. There's a telephone. One of those rotary telephones. It has turns and everything. What will they think of that? And here is the most comfy chair in the world. I want this chair. I would marry this chair. Our fireplace. Our drinks. Our books. Let's go read here. Now, if you follow me upstairs, most interesting.
Continued in part 2.